Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Ethereum from your Tangem wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding Ethereum in your Tangem hardware wallet and want to move it to Gemini for trading or staking, this guide has got you covered. It's a straightforward process, but always double check for any updates since crypto tech evolves quickly. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and your Gemini account ready. Start by unlocking your Tangem wallet using your PIN or biometric security. Once you're in, navigate to the Ethereum section to view your balance. It's crucial to confirm you have enough ETH to cover the transaction fees. Remember, gas fees can fluctuate based on network congestion. Next, head over to your Gemini account on a secure device. Log in and go to the deposit section for Ethereum. Gemini will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this carefully, as it's case sensitive. Now, back in your Tangem wallet app, select the Send or Withdraw option for Ethereum. Paste the Gemini address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including fees and the final amount. Hit Send, and you'll need to approve it on your Tangem device, usually by tapping or using the hardware button for added security. The transaction will then broadcast to the Ethereum network, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the current blockchain conditions. Once it's done, log back into Gemini and check your account to confirm the deposit. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, don't panic. Just wait and monitor it on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. In 2025, with potential upgrades to Ethereum 3.0, this process might get even smoother, but the basics remain the same. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for storage and only transfer to verified exchanges like Gemini. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.